What's up guys, TheRcCrawlerKing here, and today I'm at the Stony Plain Skate Park with a brand new HAIBOXING RC truck. This one, however, is a lot more special than the other ones we've driven. It's equipped with a brushless system. This thing's gonna absolutely rip, and I thought what better place than the skate park to test this thing out. It's pretty wet here today, so it should make for some pretty awesome action shots. I'm excited to go rip this thing around the skate park. And as always, if you guys want to rip it around a skate park, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. Find out how we're going to be giving this truck away. Without wasting any more time, guys, let's go rip this thing around. Oh man, this truck's awesome. That was an absolute blast ripping this truck around the skate park. If you guys want to rip this truck around a skate park as well, make sure to leave a comment down below. I'm going to be giving this truck away to one lucky viewer 1 month from the published date of this video. HAIBOXING's obviously been loving the videos, guys, and they've been sending me tons of trucks, which is awesome for you guys because you'll have more chances to win one. Make sure to subscribe to show your support for the channel, and as always, guys, don't forget to be fancy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.